This is Magaosi K5, a custom IEM with 4 balanced armatures. Let's have a look. First, start with the usual what's in the box. Inside the box we find the user manual, a cool carrying case with 2 extra pockets and a Velcro cable holder. Also, we can get an additional Bluetooth MMCX cable. What a surprise! Did not expect that, and a micro USB for charging. Besides these, we have the Magaosi K5 itself with its 3.5mm MMCX cable, of course. These earpieces are as close to a custom fit in-ear as any universal I have tried. In-ear fits is simply superb. They are acrylic with the balanced drivers stacked, 1 large under 4 smaller. The tubes between the balanced armature drivers themselves and the nozzle are clearly visible through the acrylic body. The body is pretty similar to the previously tested KZSR, which is one of my favorite in-ear besides many other, of course. But how do the Magaosi K5 fits? Well, simply awesome. After the whole review session, not a single second had the feeling it might fall out, fatigue my ears or even give me any discomfort. Seriously, this is the first IEM so far, which is so comfortable that sometimes I really forgot that I have an earphones in my ears. It is really hard to explain and show it, so if you have the chance to try it, go on. The cable is a massive construct with a heavy-duty 3.5mm L-shaped headphone jack. The cable itself is lightweight, no sticky feel, also no tangling, which is a huge plus. As for the second Bluetooth cable, it is really nice add-on, but don't expect any extraordinary sound quality from the wireless cable. A quiet hissing is hearable from the earphones, so if you plan any serious music listening, just stick with the wired cable, those are perfect. For sport activities, the Bluetooth cable is still a nice move from the manufacturer. Now let's talk about the sound quality. For this test I grabbed a better DAC, the good old Asus SNS1 Mark II Music Edition. In my previous review with the iBasso IT01 is also tested by this beautiful DAC, simply because I think these earphones might deserve a better overall environment, and in my future videos I will use it as my reference DAC. Now back to the topic, sound quality. First, start with bass. Be sure to choose the best type of ear tips, because bass can suffer the most of it if you have not plugged the proper ear tips to the nozzle. Anyway, the bass is pleasant and punchy. I'm also surprised how it is produced such bass without any breathing holes, such an engineering success. About mids and treble are both exceptionally good and give an almost studio monitor flat-like sound, without any distortion or give any equalized feel. The music sounds as intended to be heard, and that's what I like the most. The overall soundstage is quite good, and at this price you get a not just cool looking IEM but also produce music pretty well, and a very well built cable as well. Also, the massive amount of ear tips which are bundled can give the best results for you, just be sure to use the proper one for your genre. If you have any questions regarding this IEM, please ask in the comment section below and we'll try to answer all of them. If you want to purchase one for yourself, please check the link in the video description, and also if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel to bring you more awesome tech reviews for you. Thank you and have a nice day.